Hello guys, so I have here with me a persimmon or persimmon. I don't know how you pronounce this, but yeah, I have it here with me. Diba mura siya og ano? Mura siya og kamatis. Yeah, look. It looks like a kamatis, but it's really a persimmon. And then so I saw it. I bought it for 50 pesos only. Yeah, kind of pricey, but I think it's rare in the Philippines, so it's understandable. The inflation's high. It's rare. It's a rare fruit. And also, pero where is siya og kamatis? Yeah, look at that one. It's big. Yeah, it's big. So I'm excited to try this. Actually, makita ko ni sa mga videos wala like sa America, ang sila persimmon like manguha lang sila sa punuan or sa Korea. Especially magkita ka na sa K-drama, doon na sila, it tastes like apple daw. Or apple na, the texture is like apple daw, but the taste is like, parang makunat daw na papaya. I don't know saan ang makunat na papaya. So, I'm excited to try this one. Okay guys, so, nahugasan na nako siya, and then, natunga na po na ko. Ayan. Look, siya. Mura siya smell of kay Mito, no, ay, yeah, mura siyang kay Mito, yung mura Chicos. Ani ang sulod niya. Mura to siya kamatis. Kana sila makaon daw nimo ang skin, and the panita naman sad nako. Ganahan ko. Gahit lang ang panit. Na, if you can, I don't know if you can see it, but there are kanang small black particles or something. More fiber. I don't know. Basta kay, there's something black in there. So, mura dyan siya og Chico. Diba ang Chico na siya murag itom sad. Lasang Chico sa siya guys. Dili tinuod nga lasang makunat na papaya rin. Lasang Chico if you have tried Chico. The difference na sa gahe ang panit, and you cannot eat the panit of a Chico. Or maybe you can if you want. It's your decision to do lang. Yeah, so I hope you can hear the crunch guys. It's really crunchy. Maybe those who have tried this mga naingon nga lasang papaya daw pa naka-try Chico. It's also juicy. It's really good. I love it. I also have here a few items that I bought from a store from Packing. I bought lipstick because the lipstick that I bought last time kay nawala ang botes. Alam mo pa sa nagbutang. I have this. It's a ponytail. And there's a pearl in it. Because I really love pearls. I love getting things, hair accessories that has pearl in it. If you can see, guys, I have a pearl headband, I have a pearl earrings, and do you know the theory about pearl? The pearl theory. It's ano daw. If you wear pearl earrings, dili daw ka magka-boyfriend. Yeah. And after learning about that one, do you know what I did? I bought a new pair of pearl earrings, and this is it guys. Yeah, I'm fine without boyfriend. I can be happy on my own. I have friends, I have family. What's a boyfriend for? I'm a strong independent woman. But yeah, let's go back to my to the items that I bought. I enjoyed eating this persimmon. It looks like this. The pearl is so big. This is just only 15 pesos. It's pretty, but it's cheap. I also have here a lipstick. Madalis ako tuyo, guys. This is 30 pesos. Pretty cheap na. Yeah. I hope it's nice and it fits me. I hope bago siya sa skin. Right now. I've just finished this persimmon first and then we'll try the lipstick. Okay, so I'm done eating with the persimmon. And if makakita ko next time, maybe mapalit ko balik or I don't know. Because medyo mahal siya. But I think it's worth it naman sa because it's good. And oh, this one has brain fog, wait. It's a rare fruit and dako po man siya. So I think guys, it's worth it for sad. But why is it like this? Wait, do I remove this? Hindi ko ka maumuabli. Ashley. Lipstick by Ashley. I don't know what's this. Oh, it's pretty. The color is pretty. Let's try. Let's swatch this. It's nice. I think this looks like the color that I bought last time, but it's not that pigmented. Oh, okay, it's fine. It's reasonable for its price. Let's try it. I like the color. I like this. It's pretty. It's cheap and it's also pretty. I like this one. I'm satisfied. Okay, let's move on to the next. I also bought an eyeliner. I have it's 28 pesos. I have an eyeliner actually. It's a pencil type or pen type, yeah. But dili siya mo agi basta ang tip bita, and I need that tip because I like creating tag-as nga wing nga kaan eyeliner. So man ni siya nagtanggal wait kay. This is 28 pesos lang. It's kind of naman sad. Oh, it's also from Ashley. Okay. Let's see. Nice. Ay na. Isa. Wait, because okay, I'm so sorry guys. Dili mo ko siya mirror and dili ko makaklaro. Wait, I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm back. So here it is. Yeah, it looks pretty. But yeah, I know dili siya pantay guys. Like wala siya natarong diri nga side, but it's nice. It looks pretty. I don't mind that. It's the lipstick swatch. Swatch. I don't know. Basta lipstick na siya guys. Yeah, swatch the glade, swatching the lipstick, you know, in your wrist. Ayun i-judge ng pikas. Kaya wala na parang wala ko na anadog ingani. Kay pen lagi ako na anadan. But sa lain nga eyes siguro kaya na ko. Go kayo. Pero sa akong own eyes, mga resulta. But it looks nice. I like it. I'll practice on this. So that would be all for today. And magtuon ako guys. Kaya na ako it's finals week and nako-exam wala na ako na take because of equal important matters, and I'll be taking it tomorrow. I have to study about review rather 10 theories for that course, and then another 10 theories, or I guess 9 for another major course. Adios.